So today I'll be presenting you about configure and deploy AWS Client VPN. So before moving to the AWS Client VPN, I will explain you about what is VPN. VPN is a virtual private network, extends a private network across a public network and enables users to send and receive data across shared or public networks as if their computing devices were directly connected to the private network. So if I talk about it more, so a VPN is an essential security tool for protecting your online privacy. So without a VPN, your internet activity can be easily intercepted and viewed by other people. So this indicates your browsing history, downloaded files, online banking details, and passwords. So even worse, everything can be tracked back to your device through your internet protocol. So your IP address reveals your physical location and can be used to track you down in real life. It's like sending postcards through the mail. Anyone can read the message and see your name and address. But when you are connected to a VPN, your internet activity is encrypted and your real IP address is masked. So no one can see who you are and what you are doing. Not even the internet services providers or government or hackers can see your information. So instead of postcards, you are now sending an ultra secure private message that only the intended recipient can read. So there's no send address or name. So if someone else tries to peek, they'll just see a jumble of encrypted information. So now let's see how the VPN works. So as you can see in the illustration, so here first you launch a VPN and connect it to the server. So for students, there's a trustworthy service called NordVPN. So you can try NordVPN for 30 days for free for students. And second one is your internet traffic is now encrypted by the VPN. So no one can spy on your online activities, including the government, advertisers, or hackers. Uh, Here, the encrypted traffic is sent to the VPN service you are connected to, and the other one is your internet traffic will be appear to originate from the VPN server itself. Eventually, you have hidden your true location and replace it with the VPN server's location instead. So this helps you avoid online surveillance and firewalls in your own country. So let's talk about the advantages of using a VPN. So here are some advantages I have listed down. Remain anonymous online. It means your real location will be no longer visible. Prevent spying and cyber attacks, which means you can protect your personal data and device from hackers, malware, and even government surveillance. Third one is freely browse the internet. So it means unblock any site you want from anywhere, including streaming services like Netflix US, torrent clients, and more. If I explain it furthermore, uh, here are some other advantages as well. So first one is to access restricted entertainment content. So which means a VPN can bypass geographic restriction and can get access you to any streaming service around the world. So if you are living in or traveling to another country outside the US, you can still stream Netflix US within a VPN with using a VPN. So, but not every VPN can do this. Popular streaming services like Netflix and Disney Plus can detect VPNs and will block you from viewing the content. So that's why you need to choose a quality VPN that can outsmart the blocks. Uh, Next one is to access social network sites or news services, to remain anonymous while browsing the internet, to access files, websites, services at work, to access torrent sites, other restricted download sites. So, as we all know, torrenting is always risky. So, you can never be sure if your downloaded files are 100% safe. Plus, you risk getting in trouble with authorities if you torrent something you shouldn't. So a quality VPN will use the most advanced encryption to secure